Now this prototype will work for a lot of different Toyota vehicles. Let me show you how to use this device to program your remote clicker. And then be sure to check out my other video where I'll show you how to program the key using this. So if you ever tried to get your remote control, your clicker, or your car key programmed, the Toyota dealer told me it would cost $235 yesterday to program a new remote and a key. And I called the locksmith and he said it would be about $150 to program it. It's a ripoff and it's frustrating. Welcome to Tomahawk DIY. I'm Mike. For about the last 18 months, I've been thinking and working on a way to program a key and a remote control for Toyota vehicles on your own. So I'm really excited that I'm about to launch a product that'll allow you to do this on your own and save a lot of money over dealers and locksmiths. I invite you to go visit my website, GetKeys.Info, so you can find out when this is actually launching. Enter your vehicle information and your email address. Let me show you programming the remote with this device that I'm super excited to launch this product soon. Save you money. So here's my existing remote. It locks, unlocks the doors. If I push this, it should start the alarm. Okay. It opens the back doors. Everything works on this. Okay? All right, now here's my new one to program. Right? Nothing works on it, just so you see. All right, I'll set that up there. All the doors are closed to the vehicle. I've got my prototype programming device. I'm going to change it from key to remote. Okay, just like that. If you look close, your ignition has lock, ACC, on, and start. We need to turn it to on. Do not turn it to start. And then I'm going to take my device, plug it in. You may not know your car has a computer down here by the gas and brake pedal where we can plug this thing into. Come look down under here, and we should see something that looks kind of like this, and the device will fit right into it. Only fits on one way. Plug it in, listen for it to beep. Short beep. All right, we're gonna wait for the long beep. Gonna push the lock and unlock at the same time, and then unlock. All right, now it's programmed. Easy as that. Once you're all done, be sure you unplug this. Don't leave it in there and forget about it. Okay, so let's take a look at it. Door's locked. Lock. Unlock. Let's make it alarm. Excellent. Just in case we didn't hear that, it alarms. We're going to open a van door. Okay, one door opened. Open the other door opened. There we go. The new remote's programmed. Isn't that awesome? So be sure to check out both my videos that show how to program the remote as well as the key using this device. I'm really excited to launch this product. It'll be coming out soon. Go check out my website, GetKeys.Info. Enter your email address as well as your vehicle information so you get notified when it's available. If it's already available, go to the website, you'll be able to purchase it. And then I'll send you the products, and you'll be able to program your Toyota remote and key and do it yourself and save a bunch of money in the process. Have a great day.